Vive le français et bonjour chers amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. You know, something very important when you describe a place is to know the prépositions, les prépositions on, under, above, below, on the left, on the right, inside, in between. We have seen these together already, but today I'm going to show you around. I think you like this, and we are going to practice together. Okay. So first, sur, on, sur. Repeat after me. Sur, sur, sur. Now under, sous, sous, sous. On the right, à droite. À droite, à droite, on the left, à gauche, à gauche, à gauche, above, au-dessus, 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 below, below, under, en dessous, en dessous, en dessous. In front, devant, 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 behind, derrière, 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 and you say between, entre, entre, entre. Okay, and then now it's my time to my turn, so I will ask you the question, where is? Here, hein? Vous pouvez voir avec moi, ici, vu. Allez, let me take you. Hein. Où est le tableau? Où est le tableau? Le tableau est on the sofa. Le tableau est sur le sofa. Le tableau est sur le sofa. And then I can ask you, where is the lamp? Où est la lampe? And you can say, the lamp is behind George. La lampe est derrière George. La lampe est derrière George. And then you can see, I will ask you, where is, what can I say? Here. I will ask you, where is the bag? Where is the bag? So you can see the bag here. Hein? This is my bag. C'est mon sac. Où est mon sac? Between the table and the chair. Le sac est entre la chaise et le bureau. Le sac est entre la chaise et le bureau. Then you can see there is a carpet here. The carpet, le tapis. Où est le tapis? And you can say the tapis is under, you can say it's on the floor or under the bag, you know, on the floor, under the bag. Où est le tapis? Le tapis est on the floor, sur le sol. Où le tapis est sous la chaise. Then behind I have the computer bag, so you can say, où est le sac? Say the bag is on the floor. Le sac est sur la chaise. Le sac est sur la chaise. Okay. What else can I ask you? Vous avez vu le radiateur? This kind of heater, you cannot find it anymore. C'est un radiateur en fonte. It can really heat the room very well. Donc où est le radiateur? So you can tell me in front of the window. In front of the window. Où est le radiateur? Le radiateur est in front, devant la fenêtre. Le radiateur est devant la fenêtre. What can I say? Où sont les livres? Where are the books? Vous avez vu les livres ici? Où sont les livres? Les livres sont sur le meuble. Sur le meuble. On the furniture, you know. Où est le lit? This is not really a bed. Hein? This is the bed that people would use in the older time in France. These are all the old furniture. It's very cheap, in fact, because people don't like this kind of furniture. But they're all the original furniture and old. This one is used to take a nap after lunchtime. You know, so you eat and after you take a nap on this. But let's say it's a bed. Où est le lit? Le lit est next to the wall, you can say. Le lit est next to the wall, à côté du mur. And by the way, just to let you know, these are all some of my ancestors, but I don't know exactly the name, you know. I know some of them. I don't know the name. This woman, I don't remember, because I'm not very interested in it. So, but I know some of you like this kind of story. Of course, I have a respect for people who came before me, especially the one who did the good things. You know, we're not nasty. We're good people. So I have respect for good people. One who tried to fight for others or tried to follow their values, tried to do good, and they were not selfish, you know, not always thinking about yourself, and sometimes try to give. But then, of course, when you have a family, you have so many people in the family, so you have many people, some of them who didn't do good things, and then you will not hear about them, and some of them who did good things, so you will hear about them. And that's life, you know. We are human animals, you know. We are all humans animals, trying to improve ourselves. I think life is about improving yourself. For me, I wish I had more free time, so I can control my moods, control myself, try to improve myself. And I think, to me, living in the countryside, taking care of the plant, the nature, this is the way, or the animals, you know, this is the way that I think I would be happy, and I can also maybe improve myself. Or even spend time with my kid. And by the way, I need to leave you because I'm going outside with him right now. Bon, that's it for today, okay? Je sais pas. For instance, I can ask you this chair here. Cette chaise. Here. Où est la chaise? Just to finish, you can say between the bed and the other chair. Où est la chaise? This one. Celle-ci. Normally in France you don't point. It's not polite to do like this. Où est la chaise? La chaise est in between. Entre cette chaise et entre le lit. La chaise est entre cette autre chaise, ou la chaise est entre cette chaise et le lit. Voilà. Bon ben, à bientôt les amis. Let me show you this guy. You know this guy? Who is he? His name is Dionysos. That's the original door. You see the original door. He's the god of the wine. He's the god of wine. Le dieu de la vigne, Dionysos. À bientôt les amis. Au revoir. Au revoir.